Want to make your car safer? Well, welcome back to episode 36, where we're breaking down 3 Amazon car gadgets that put your safety first on the road. First up, a dash cam to capture every moment. Next, a compact car fire extinguisher for those unexpected emergencies. And then the JOREST 300 PCS Car Fuse Assortment Kit to fix small electrical issues before they turn into problems. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive right in. Ever had a near miss or someone deny they hit your car? This dash cam, product 1 in video 36, records every second of your drive, so you've always got clear proof when you need it. No more stressful he said, she said on your daily commute. Ugh, who hasn't spilled coffee near a wonky underdash outlet or caught a faint burnt whiff after a quick backroad drive? Product 2 in video 36 is this tiny, easy-grab car fire extinguisher. It fits snug in most cup holders, pulls out with a simple latch, and tackles small electrical and liquid fires right when they start. Ever had a blown fuse leave you stranded somewhere? Total bummer. Grab the JOREST 300 PCS Car Fuse Assortment Kit. It's got every fuse you need to fix it fast. Keep one in your trunk so you're never stuck again. Hey, which of these 3 Amazon car gadgets was your favorite pick? Drop it in the comments below. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe because we're already at video 36 in our series. All product links are in the description, and thanks for watching.